What is up, YouTube? For the past 2 weeks I've been testing a method that's been consistently getting me free Bitcoin almost every single day. At first, I honestly thought it was just another overhyped crypto strategy, but after testing it myself for a while, I realized it actually works way better than I expected. A few of my friends asked me to record this full process and show exactly what tool I'm using, so that's what I'm going to do in that video. So let's get started. First of all, everything I show in this video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. It's not a financial advice. And lately, I've been really into crypto games and I tested a lot of different crypto tools. Some of them work great, some don't work at all, but most of the time, as you can see on the screen right now, it feels like completely randomness. But over the last 2 weeks, I've discovered a really interesting tool. Today I'm gonna test it live. Let's not waste any time. I'll check this tool once again right now, so you'll see the whole process live right in front of your eyes. And I'm gonna check this tool once again and test exactly this picture what you see on the screen. So for that, I'll just need to use the small settings here. So I'm gonna choose the 23, alright? And now all I just need, guys, is just pull the pattern and the picture what I see here. So look at that, guys. I'm gonna check the position right there and that. Yeah, as you can see, the gameplay has become so much better. This feels like a completely different game right now. So right now, to show you even more clearly how it works, I'm gonna try to send it back right now. I'll try to do it real quick, so let me just a few seconds here to choose the amount. Alright, so for example, that could be like that, and all I just need to go into my account and copy the information here real quick. Okay, so I got it. Alright, now, and let me go back to the game. I'm gonna paste it right here. Okay, and click the confirm. As you can see, it's already confirmed and the processing is super fast, guys. And by the way, I will show you the name of this tool somewhere here on the screen, so you can pause the video and check it. And meanwhile, I'm not waiting, guys. Let's see how fast it's updated this time. So every test is a little different. Sometimes it's fast, sometimes it takes a little longer. And today I'm gonna just check. Yeah, look at that, guys. It's updated super quickly this time. Alright, so yeah, everything is already here. I'm gonna check it once here. Yeah, perfect, guys, look at that, perfect. As you can see, it works really nice. And a lot of you have been asking how I usually set up this tool, so let me show you the setup process step by step. So it's actually really simple here. So let me first start it once again, and here, guys, there is a basic tutorial I just follow. So there is a different modes, 3, 10, 23. So this time I'm using the 23 here. So the next step gonna be the small conditions, and that's a super simple step. So I already completed it earlier, so I can move forward, and now I select the mode. So I'm going back to the game, and here let me choose the 23 is over there. Alright, and let me go back and just press the next step. And it starts the loading, and seems I feel the import here before it pulls everything automatically. That's super smooth. Okay, and look at that. That's what I'm talking about. I got another one, so let me quickly test it once again and check that everything is worked or not. So I'm gonna just make a small preparation here, and let me check the picture. So the 2 is over there, the first and the second. Yep, look at that. It works perfectly again, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, drop a like, sub to my channel, and let me know in the comments if you want more tests like this, and see you in another one.